We even gotta shut the power down. We even had to shut the power down and downstairs. Which waiting, it's still waiting right now, but it's slowing down. It looks like it's not doing nothing right here. Looks disgusting, but I just want to film it. Whole base was just like flooded. Look at that. The cat weather's just like flooded. That thing just got flooded. I gotta shut even a power break off for this. It's a wet spot. Jesus Christ. I'll tell you how. Look. Try for bad angles, shame out. Look at that. That seems just like whiff her up. So well, okay, no wet spot. Then there's no wet spot like here. Look at that. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my god. Look how deep that is. Look how deep that is. You can tell from down here, look at that deep. Look at that. Let's step on this. It's like a flood just. You see that? We should stop now. Look at that. Still waiting for the stop. Every house in this neighborhood is flooded. Look at that. Look at my weight set. Now look how high that is. See something? See something below it? You see something below it? That's flood. That's water. I even had to shut the power down. Look at this shit. Oh my god. That's not supposed to happen. Look how high that is. My butt is pissed. Whole car is flooded. Then reach over there. The whole basement flooded. I gotta shut the pot off down here. There's another room back here. This is flooded. I'm just caught. And I'm gonna say, what? I gotta say this is a disaster. Something really got it. It's gonna take days before this stuff sucks up. If I have a stick, that's how high that water was. That is so fucking high. Let me go get a stick. I will show you what.
Life was turned on. Then around for about 4 or 5 months. And so Lena said, she's just giving that money away. And this fucking Tony and shit. She didn't give something to me. How can you leave this world? How does, I couldn't.
That's piss. Watch.
She gambles like we smoke pot.
Look. See, right under there. Look. Even the suitcase. Look. See? That's not oil, that's just water. See? See? So everybody gotta be cycle here, basically. I didn't. See? Jesus Christ. Jesus Christ, what the heck's their problem? I got...
So we gotta pay for the old people that are left. Now they're gonna cancel Social Security, so I like when they send me a statement that goes, this is how much Social Security you're gonna have if you retire today. It's
Stay tuned for more updates. This is the last part. And I think that's how high it's gonna go, because it's sucking down right now. It's about to suck off. It's sucking up. Stay tuned for more updates.